Alright, so yeah, I think I could have made it here 2 hours earlier, and I think that would be better for both sun and solitude. Although everyone I've met up here is super friendly, you know, certainly members of my tribe, but my tribe is antisocial, so I'd rather be alone in the woods. But smiles and a wave were definitely in order. 2 young men that time. I guess hiking alone is probably stupid, but I do everything alone, so whatever. It is what it is. Ducking way down. Got some steep stairs. See here, away from the cars. All you can hear is the 2 young men from earlier. It's awesome. Ooh, hey there. Dang, I missed it. That was definitely one of the birds from earlier, I think. Huh. Well, it's hiding now. I wonder if it'll come out on the video. Well, this part of the walk's probably going to be really boring to watch, so at least if the phone runs out of space, it won't be a big deal. Looks like a squirrel? Or some kind of rat, maybe? Bumblebee. What's up, Bumblebee? Hey there. Bye-bye.